Hello, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So, before we get started with the tutorial, I want you to take some time and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. So, I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. Alright, since you've done that now for the tutorial, I've categorized it into three branches. The first step is to identify your WhatsApp, whatever WhatsApp you are trying to move to. So to identify the WhatsApp you are moving to, this is how you do it. Just open the WhatsApp you've installed. That's the new WhatsApp. And then click the red button. That's a new toast appears as can't find blah 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 blah. All you have to do is just identify or take note of the last part. That's FM WhatsApp. Supposing it's a GB WhatsApp, the last part will be what? GB WhatsApp. I hope you get me. Yeah. So now if I identify the WhatsApp you are trying to move to as what? Your WhatsApp. Now, step 2. Step 2, open any file manager of your choice. I'm using Mix File Explorer for this tutorial. So, once you open your file manager, find the folder called FM WhatsApp. Since I've already identified my WhatsApp to what? FM WhatsApp and step 1. But if FM WhatsApp hasn't been created, what you can do is just create a new folder and name it what? FM WhatsApp. That's if your WhatsApp you are moving to is what? FM WhatsApp. But if it's GMB WhatsApp, you just create a folder called GMB WhatsApp. That's supposedly if a folder hasn't been created already. I hope you get stage 1. So that's just stage 1. Locate your WhatsApp and then create a folder for your WhatsApp if the folder hasn't been created. Alright, let's move to stage 2. Stage 2 is pretty simple. All you have to do is just go to original WhatsApp, settings, chat data, chat backup, and then create a chat backup. That's simple. Just takes about 3 seconds. Bam, it's in. So after creating the chat backup, the next thing to do is move back to your file manager. Once in your file manager, refresh it and then go to the folder called WhatsApp. This time the folder called original WhatsApp. That's the WhatsApp folder, not FM WhatsApp or whatever folder. So once you find the original WhatsApp folder, we'll just copy two folders inside. That's the first one, backups, and then databases. So just click the copy icon in whatever file manager you are using. So I'll swipe to the right in my file manager and then go to the FM WhatsApp and then paste those two folders inside the FM WhatsApp. These two folders, database and media, are folders I copied from the WhatsApp folder, the original WhatsApp folder. These two folders contain our chat history and other databases related to our chat. So they are really essential. You have to do that. Copy them and move them to any WhatsApp you are trying to move to. Okay. So now I've copied my WhatsApp chat backup to the FM WhatsApp. The next thing to do is go to FM WhatsApp. Okay, go to FM WhatsApp, agree and continue, and then enter your phone number. Alright, so I'll enter my phone number. So once you enter your phone number, you get this screen asking you to accept the request to restore your chat backup. So I'll click the restore over here, and then it won't take long depending on the size of your chat. So I guess this will take like 3 seconds, and then boom, it should be in. Yeah, so it's in. Next, and then it should take me to my home screen any moment from now. Yeah, and amen. Yeah, so it's very simple. As you've seen, step 1, identify the WhatsApp you are trying to move to. As in my case, it was what? FM WhatsApp. Step 2, make an original WhatsApp chat backup. Once you do that chat backup, copy two folders, that's the database and backup folder, and then paste it to the WhatsApp you are trying to move to. In my case, I pasted them inside the FM WhatsApp folder. Step 3, open your FM WhatsApp or whatever WhatsApp mode you are trying to move to. Follow the WhatsApp steps or instructions. You would get a dialog where you would have to what, restore your chat backup. Once you face that dialog, just restore your chat backup and then everything will be back from scratch. I mean, your chats will be back the way you left them. As you can see in my case, everything is there intact. So just follow this tutorial and you'll be able to restore your chat backup from original WhatsApp to any mode at all. The same procedure applies when you're trying to move from a WhatsApp mode, be it FM WhatsApp, back to an original WhatsApp. It's the same procedure. I'll try to make a video for that, but it's the same procedure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button. Till then, tata, stay safe.